Won the chess opening used by world champions for over 100 years. The Spanish game, also called the Roy Lucas, starts with e4, e5, knight to f3, knight to c6, and bishop to b5. This is Spanish game, or you can also call as Roy Lucas. This opening attacks the knight, defending the black center. White develops quickly, controls the board, and prepares for strong attack later. That's why legends like Bobby Fischer and Magnus Carlsen used it. Simple idea, powerful pressure, timeless opening. And how the game continues is normally a6, bishop a4, and sometimes b5, bishop e4, and then knight f6, pawn to b3 or pawn to c3, attacking the center. Follow for more chess openings in 30 seconds. Bye.